Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review the new ColourPop spring collection of the season. If you guys want to know what I thought, then just keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a ColourPop review. They came out with their spring collection and sorry, I just threw that down. We are gonna do a review and demo of the spring collection. I am so excited. I just painted my nails because they're pretty embarrassing. They still really are, but I just kind of want to not look so trashy. You know what I mean? Okay, so they came out with 6 lipsticks, 6 jelly, what are these called? Jelly Much eyeshadows. So cool, so cool. I haven't really tried any of these like on my skin, so we're excited to try. They came out with 16 blushes, so it is a vast variety. And then they came out with 6 lipsticks and the most beautiful eyeshadow palette ever. So we're gonna do eyes first because why not? Let's get into it. This eyeshadow palette is called Sweet Talk. It's a pressed, if you guys hear a bird, I'm so sorry. Like, I wish I could tell them to be quiet for this, but they won't listen to me, you know? So this is the pressed powder palette. It comes with 12 shadows, and I will put the link to everything down below. This is the Sweet Talk palette, Super Shock Shadows, all-in-one palette. Oh, and they have a brand new glitter formula, which is these formulas right there. Going in with Catch Me and West Side, which is this one and that one. And we're gonna get into it. I'm just really excited. I have not tried ColourPop in years, you guys. It's been years. Oh, I'm excited to try me some ColourPop. Only thing I don't like, which I get because ColourPop is an affordable brand, like a really affordable brand. I just wish that there was a mirror here, but it's still so gorgeous. This packaging is beautiful. I hope you guys like the spring vibes with the birds. Like, I just noticed that. Like, that's so springy. Pigment, though. Pigment is beautiful. Actually, one of the best for the price I've tried in a while. Pigment is there. My sister's obsessed with ColourPop, so I understand why now. They sent this to me and I was like, heck yes, this collection is just gorgeous. This palette is gorgeous. Oh. Okay, so let's see if the other colors perform as well as this one does. I've been only using Work It. I haven't used West Side yet. So I'm gonna go in with the deeper color called West Side, and then I'm gonna go in with Icon as well. Oh my god, I'm so excited, you guys. I'm excited to try their glitters. See how those are. You guys, obsessed. I'm obsessed. Look how beautiful that is. Going with the spring vibes though. We are just gonna blend, blend, blend. I really like this palette. Also, I recommend with these shadows to use synthetic brushes. You just get the most pigment payoff. You know what I mean? Okay, so maybe I'll go in with the deeper one in a second. This one is called Meadow. I'm just inching that in. And we're gonna go and put a base down with the jelly shadow. I'm going to use like a gold. We're going to go in with one of their jelly pigments, one of 6, but I will swatch all of these for you guys. But this one just calls my name because it's gorgeous. This one is called, Photosynth. I think it's just called Photosynthesis or Photosynthesis. I'm not sure. So these jelly shadows are really different type of texture. Okay, so this is the jelly pigment. Look at this. Sorry, my nails are so janky. Look at that. Okay, so that's the jelly pigment or the jelly shadow. That's what they call it. It says 6 new jelly shadows. Our innovative fan fave jelly shadows are back and cooler than ever, which they are pretty freaking cool. I don't know how to apply these, and I don't know if I should apply. Okay, I think I'm gonna apply it with a brush like this. I'm gonna wipe it off for a second. I don't want to make a mess. I'm scared, so I'm gonna do a little bit at a time, guys. and we're gonna get into it. So this is my first time trying a shadow like this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna look up because my hooded eyes, I don't want you guys. Incredible. I'm gonna pat. Patting, it kind of helps with blending too, especially like blending on this side, but oh my goodness. You guys, I'm obsessed. This is so refreshing to see ColourPop like this. You guys, I haven't tried. My bronzer just went everywhere. It broke. So ColourPop, I haven't like tried it like in years. So I'm just, it's so crazy to me how different it is. Super cool. Look at that. I've never seen pigment like that before in a jelly shadow. I'm in awe. This like, okay, I'm doing an Egyptian look, like a modern day Egyptian look, because I love Egypt so much, and this would be such a cool shadow. King Tut style. So just kind of keep dabbing with this one. I'm gonna go back and blend, but now let's go in with one of the glitters in the palette. I'm gonna go in with this one. It is called Early Morning. It's cute. I'm not sure how I should apply this. I'm thinking I'm gonna apply it with my finger. How cool is that? I am done. This collection, no. Okay, I haven't been this excited in so freaking long with makeup. And like there's no fallout from the glitter. This is so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put lashes on and I'll be back. I'm not gonna put any like eyeliner on or anything. We're just gonna keep this the way it is because you can't take away from it. It's so beautiful. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, we're gonna go ahead and look at the 16 blushes that they have. This one is called No Vacancy, and these are the Super Shock Cheek, and this one's in matte. Look at that, I already swatched it because it's so like, oh my god, and like it's like cool to the touch. I can't tell you how amazing these feel. I'm going to try this on my cheeks. I'm not sure how to apply this. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right, and I think this is a natural hair brush. Okay, anyways. Oh my gosh, how pretty is that? I want to look real rosy today. Ooh, brush is shedding. Okay, for one, this is so pretty. Ugh. This is the Super Shock No Vacancy Cheek, so blush basically. Sorry, my mind is like somewhere else right now. Oh my gosh. Love the application, super beautiful. Leaves a really pretty sheen. I'm gonna swatch them all down my arm. This one is called Drop of a Hat. Oh, that one's a pretty sheen. I might put that on my, look at that one. This one's called Cruel Intention. This one is called Between the Sheets. Yeah, baby. This one's called Hoarders. So this one is called Growth Flirt. I love that. Ooh, that's pretty. This one's called Thumper. Gorgeous. This one is called Birthday Suit. Really pretty mauve. I feel like my sister's gonna look really pretty in that. My sister's gonna look really good in that one because she's more fair skinned than I am. This one's called Never Been Kissed. This one's a matte. Ooh. This one's called Tuned In. Oh, that's like a fuchsia. Incredible. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe these off and do the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one's called Holiday. Nice coral. It's a beautiful coral. This one's like a bright orange. This one is the dark one, Prenup. I feel like that's a really pretty, like in between mauve and pink. This one's called Cheerio. This one is called Yes, she did. And this is called Count Me In. This is also matte. Wow, a collection that has 16 blushes. Every single one of them is absolutely gorgeous. The texture, the pigmentation, everything is just so pretty. I cannot believe it. You guys, I am blown away. We're gonna try on the lipsticks. That's the last 6 lipsticks. These are 16 blushes, 1 eyeshadow palette that has 12 shadows, and ooh, the jellies. Let's do the jellies. I forgot about these. Let's do the jellies. This one's called Photosynthesis. Incredible. This one's called Whistling Pink. That looks like it's like a jelly. This one's called Close to You, iridescent, so it might not come out as opaque. Yeah, it's really gorgeous. This one's called Doves and Roses. This one's called Big Ego. Wow. And this one's called Late Bloomer. Nope, it's pigmented. There's all 6 of their Jelly Much shadows. So we're gonna go ahead and get into all of their lipsticks. Let's talk about the packaging. Absolutely gorgeous. This is like something that you feel luxurious when you put it in your purse and you're just like, oh, this feels so good. But this one's called, look at, and they have stars on it. This one is called Spring Roll. Let's try it. Ooh, this is comfortable. Is this it's a cream. This reminds me of like the same formula that MAC has called Cream Cup. It's one of my faves. I love a cream formula. We're going to the next lipstick. This one's called You're Thriving, which I love that. Of course, with the stars on it. Super pretty. Ooh, this isn't more of a matte. This is a cream, but it feels more matte. This one was really pretty. Let's take this one off and then we're gonna do another one. So this one's called 7 Springs. Gorgeous. Ooh. So pretty. Okay guys, so I got 2 7 Springs. I'm not sure, let's see. Let me look. For all Cream Luxe ones. Our OG 7 Springs formula, and then now our 6. Okay, so there's 2 formulas to this. So let's try the other one. I'm pretty sure. And yeah, it feels a little bit thicker. Ooh, I like that. I don't know, it doesn't really feel different. I think I just got 2 7. No, yeah, it does feel different, I think. This is more of a satin. Yeah, this one's way more orange, I feel like. It's different. They should name that though, different. This one, okay, so this one's called Flower SZN. I'm not sure, like season maybe? Ooh, it's so pretty. Gosh. Okay, so this is called Tea Time. I typically don't like colors like this on me, so we'll see. Ooh, okay, so this is a really silky one. Okay, guys, so this is the end of the video. What I think about this collection is I love every single thing about this collection. I have never reviewed a collection that I was so excited about until now. Like, I'm not even trying to like just talk it up or anything because like I'm not getting paid. Why would I? This is an amazing collection. Beautiful palette. The glitter doesn't hurt. I've had a Huda Beauty palette that had glitter sort of like this, and it terribly hurt my eyes. It hurt so bad. I had like, it was like scratches in the inside of my eyes. This is really pretty. I'm really curious to see what it's like when I take off the glitter. I don't think it's gonna be a problem like it was with the Huda Beauty because it is a finer glitter. The other one was just, it wasn't like soft like this. Sorry, I'm stained. This whole palette is absolutely gorgeous. So the jelly shadows, that's a definite yes for me. Definite yes for me. The lipsticks, definite yes for me. The freaking blush, it's so creamy, that blush. I think that it will suit anybody's skin texture. It's very, it's so creamy that it kind of just sinks in and makes it look like your own skin. It's not powdery. Definitely very good for mature skin types. Oh, I can't even tell you enough how much I love this collection. So I'm gonna shut up. But if you guys want to look at the collection, I'll link it below. It's their spring collection. I'm living for the whole collection, the whole aesthetic, the whole everything. You guys knocked it out of the park. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. And what you guys want me to review next, let me know down below. Give me a like and subscribe. Put on the bell notification, and I will see you guys later.